Duck, porcini mushrooms, and paella sounds like a winner to me. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making a duck and porcini paella. When you make a good paella, you want to prepare all the ingredients beforehand. So let's get started with that. So we got 2 whole duck breasts, 4 breasts in total. We want to trim them into individual breasts and remove some of the excess fat. 2 of these we're going to cube into smaller cubes. And the other 2 we're going to score in a crisscross pattern. We also want to remove the meat from 2 duck leg confits. We're going to chop the duck leg meat. Then we're going to season the cube duck breast and the whole duck breast with flaky sea salt. We have 2 pounds of porcini mushrooms that we want to slice into thin slices. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's start cooking. We're going to pour some oil into our paella pan. We're going to set the temperature to medium, and then we're going to slowly start cooking the duck breast skin side down. When they have a nice color, we want to flip them over and cook the meat side. And when the meat side have a good color, we want to remove it and place it on a grill rack. We're going to set the oven for 325 degrees, and then we're going to finish cooking the duck breast in the oven. Now we're going to add the cubed duck breast and the mushroom, and we also want to increase the temperature to high. We want to saute these for a couple of minutes until they have a nice, beautiful brown color. Then we want to add the chopped duck confit meat and cook for another couple of minutes. Then it's time for the sofrito. We want to make sure that we caramelize this, so keep cooking for a couple of minutes. Then it's time to add a bag of paella rice, about 2.2 pounds. We want to make sure that we incorporate the paella rice with the sofrito and ensure that all the rice grains get covered with that beautiful tomato taste. Next, we want to add saffron, and these are saffron strands that we've toasted. We put them in a mortar, turn them into a powder, and then mixed with some water. Next, it's time to add the broth. We have 10 cups of good duck broth that we've heated up. We want to make sure that we move the rice around so we get a good even layer. Then we want to season with some pimenton, the smoky paprika from Spain. Move the rice around again. And then we're going to lower the temperature to low-medium. And now we need to leave this paella alone and let it cook for between 16 to 17 minutes. While we're waiting for the paella, it's time to remove the duck breast from the oven. They're sitting with an inner temperature of 135 degrees. We want to let them rest for a couple of minutes, and then it's time to slice it into thin slices. We want to place these thin slices in the paella. And then we also want to add some piquillo peppers. When the rice is cooked through and all the liquid has been incorporated, we want to increase the temperature to high for about 30 seconds to create the socarrat. Then we can turn it off, and then this amazing paella is ready to serve. And that is how I make my duck and porcini paella. And look at this. This looks absolutely amazing. This is the ultimate test of a good paella. If it's not cooked right, you have everything on the floor. But this looks absolutely stunning. Let's grab a piece here, wooden spoon, family style. This is packed with so much flavor. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.